Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new and a little bit unique unboxing for my channel because I will be opening my very first ZenPop box, and this little box is shipped straight from Japan. It's Osaka, Japan. I'm not entirely sure how you pronounce it. And this was gifted to me by the lovely people over at ZenPop. They asked me to do a review and unboxing, so thank you so much for that. This is their stationery box. Now, ZenPop has different kinds of boxes, I believe. They have some sort of snack box, and they have the stationery box. I think they have like a ramen box. You can check out their website, as you can see right here. But it's all like genuine Japanese goodies in different forms. But as a stationery lover, they asked me to try out the stationery box, of course. And this, I believe, is the October or November box. It's holiday themed, so I'm not entirely sure which month it was, but I'm really excited to try it out. And if you like what you see in this box that I will unbox very soon, then you can use my code HANNAHSHAVEN and you will receive $3 off your very first ZenPop box. So that's really fun to try it out and get it a little bit cheaper. I believe these are really affordable as it is though. Plus, I think most countries get free shipping, which is amazing. So yeah, let us open and get into it. So here we have the cute box. It's so tiny, but it's like a really sturdy box. It came all intact and everything. Ooh! Oh, look, it's pink on the inside. This little character, if I remember correctly, her name is Luna, and she's super cute. I love the pink. It's like a hot pink. As you know, I'm a pink girl. So here we have a little leaflet, or whatever it's called. You have their socials here. Oh, so it's like different people have been featured. That's so cool. Oh yeah, so here you have the different boxes that they have. The sweets pack, the ramen pack, the ramen plus sweets pack, and then the stationery pack. So this is the one. It looks like the smallest one, as you can see based on the size of the box. But this is the one I have right here. Gosh, I'm so excited to see what's included. It's really a surprise. Oh, I actually don't want to look at this thing because I want to be surprised. I can look at it afterwards and make sure everything is in there. And I already see red, so it's holiday themed. Oh my gosh. Okay. So the first little thing. Oh man, this little Hannah would have gotten so excited about. These are little small erasers, and it's in the Christmas tree little can. So this takes me back because little tiny erasers like this I collected as a kid. Oh, come on, get out there. So it's like little Christmas trees, snowflakes, little Santas. A little snowman too. Oh, that's really cute. Oh, and candy canes. Oh my gosh. So this is maybe not something I personally would use now, but man, it takes me back. Did anybody else collect erasers as a kid? So the next thing I see are, oh my gosh, these are so tiny and cute. Oh man, it's little stickers. Wow, and they are of like, they are so tiny. It's almost like nail stickers. That's how tiny they are. So we have little penguins and seals and polar bears doing all kinds of poses. Oh my goodness, these are too cute. And they're all different, I believe. Or like different. Oh, that's adorable. Man, they're so tiny you could use them. I mean, these would be great to use in like a bullet journal or a smaller planner or a hobonichi even, because they're just so small, you know. You could use them, oh my gosh, you could create little like checklist points with these. How cute would that be? Super versatile. Or use them as nail stickers. They're just so tiny and cute. Next thing I see, oh man, is it a washi tape? Oh, it's so tiny. It looks like penguins. Oh, look at this! Winter Limited BGM in silver foil. Oh man, masking tape. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this. I'm really excited. I don't own a real, like, Japanese washi. I do own, like, cheap ones from AliExpress, but I believe those are not Japanese. I'm gonna see what the quality is like, if it's different from what I know. Because I believe washi tape is like a Japanese thing originally. It actually feels like the washes I'm used to, actually, and the stickiness seems really good. So, oh my gosh, these penguins are adorable. And together with these, like, can you imagine the adorable spread you could do? Look at all the little poses they do. Look at that one. That's me some days for sure. Oh, that one looks hungry. They are so cute. So chubby and cute. Oh my goodness. Just too adorable. Next up, we have... I love that there's so many penguins because penguins are adorable. It's like a little notebook. Oh my gosh. So we have, or notepad, I should say. Here's this penguin parlor. Oh my gosh, a little seal, and that like looks like a super yummy snack. And sandwich, and the penguins, it looks like they're celebrating. Oh man, how adorable. And there's, as you can see, there's two designs. So the second one looks like this, and it's horizontal like this. Fruity Cafe Penguin Parlor. Man, so many yummy snacks. Whoa! And it's such a handy size. This one you could easily like have in your pocket and just bring out whenever to write down like notes. How cute. I'm gonna try how easy they are to rip out. Oh, that was easy. How handy. Oh man, I love this. I love this so much. And next, oh man, these are sticky notes. Whoa, look at these super cute little animals. So we have is that like a hamster? And we look at those chubby cheeks. Another penguin, and then, so this is like a bigger one. But this is like, the sticky markers. Oh, I'm gonna have to open to see the designs. So you can see here, they have dots and lines and grids and all different pastel colors. I love that. And it's different animals, seals and kitties and a chick. Is this a specific, like a character brand? I don't recognize it, but it's super cute. And these are, like they show here, great for bookmarks. Just adorable. Oh, I love the colors. And we have... Yay! Pens! Oh man, oh man, oh man. I love pens. Whoa! This one is super cool. So I don't know what kind of pen this is. Is it just like a ballpoint? No way! This is a retractable, like, pencil. Mechanical pencil. Maybe that's how you call it. And you do like this, and then it comes out. Whoa! But it's like super cute. It has all the penguins. Juicy na penguin. Sleep. Stay. I'm not sure exactly what it all means. But we have like a popsicle and the penguins and little polka dots. And then, oh man, look! It's like a little window with a penguin inside. Holy moly, what a detail! Looks like he's in like a bubble and going up to space or something. Do you see the detailing in that? That's amazing. So it says 0.5, and then it's Japanese, I suppose, or Chinese. But it's a retractable pencil. That's awesome. I don't really have a lot of pencils, and especially not retractable ones. So that's really functional. Man, I'm so excited about this. Oh, that's awesome. So what's the next one? This one looks cool. Friction Ball Slim. So is this like a friction, like ballpoint? 0.38 it says. But, whoa. Oh no, it's not a ballpoint. It's a gel pen. Okay, so let's see here. Oh, it has red ink. Whoa. That's cool. But because it's a friction pen, you can see it has a little eraser. So, okay. Oh yeah, I can just erase away. Whoa. I mean, I love doing this with my friction pens because it's just so satisfying to see it go away like that. So cool. But it's so slim. It's like, you can see this is like a standard, at least like width, like the grip you get. This one is so like short and skinny. It's unlike anything I've seen. Wow, that's so cool. And next, whoa, 2021 calendar. This looks like fabric. Man, that is really cool. I'm gonna have to, oh man, I'm gonna flip through this for sure. Look at this front. It looks like fabric, but it's actually paper. So it's like printed paper that looks like fabric. Can you see? It really fooled me. Super cute. So here's January, I guess. It doesn't say January, but I suppose it is. Starts with Sunday. And it all looks like fabric. And it's a desk calendar. So you have like this. You can stand up like that. And it's weird it doesn't say the months, it just says the numbers. And I get fooled, like fabric, it's not fabric, but it's actually, the paper is a bit textured, and with the print, it feels like fabric. I mean, that's amazing. These are really cool. These looks like some stitching I did as a kid. Man, what a fun little calendar. I haven't seen anything like it. Japanese, like people or companies, I guess, are usually really inventive. And that's something I really appreciate. This is so cool. Next up, looks like we have some more fun stickers. Whoa, look, it's little kitties. And this one has gold foiling. There's some gold foil details in this. Oh, I love that. We have some kitties, some birds and stars. Lots of birds, actually. Look at those little birdies. Look, I love this one with the kitten that has the Christmas tree on the head. Oh, this is really cute. Oh, look at this one with the birds on the sleeping cat. It's adorable. I'm gonna have to use these on some Christmas cards I'm sending this year. Ah, adorable. Is this the last thing? I think it might be. What is it? Oh, wait, is it like an envelope you're supposed to send? What? It's like it's plastic. Man, this is interesting. Wait, and there's an envelope in here, I believe. This is interesting. So, yes, this is an envelope. So this it says Merry Christmas, and I would love that there's so many penguins in this. It's like a theme. And then, so you're supposed to put like a photo. It's like a photo pocket. Whoa! Okay. And then, oh, you can write a note and then put it in here. What a clever thing. I mean, that's so cool. I haven't seen anything like it. Whoa, what a clever way and a fun and super cute way to send a Christmas card. Oh, what a lovely gift. Imagine receiving that from someone with a picture of them and their partner, or them and their family, you know, a loved one. That's adorable. Aw, that's so sweet. And that was it in the ZenPop box. Oh, I love the hot pink so much. Oh man, so many cute things. Just so much fun. And this box, I believe it's a surprise. I don't know if they ever show sneak peeks with this box. Either way, you get so many fun things, and I believe it's quite inexpensive too. Like you get a lot from your money, and it's such a fun surprise to receive like every month, and with, you know, genuine, like real stationery from Japan. Directly, like straight from Japan too. So now when I have gone through everything, I can just take a quick look at this little leaflet. It just says everything in here. And there's even some pictures. So it explains here what you get. So that's really awesome. In case you don't know what something is, if it's unclear, you can find out by reading it. And that's actually really clever, because some of the things on the packaging is in Japanese or Chinese or something. And then it's really difficult to, if you don't know the language, to understand sometimes, especially if it's a new and innovative thing. So that's really awesome. That's really awesome. Once again, thank you so much to the ZenPop team for sending this box to me. So much fun. And once again, if you would like to try out a ZenPop subscription, then use my code HANNAHSHAVEN to get $3 off your first purchase. And of course, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!